Hello everyone, welcome to episode 0 of Meta Ads for e-commerce. I am really excited to start the series with you guys. Just to give you an idea, this will show you everything that you need to know if you want to run Meta Ads for your e-commerce store, including setup, running ads, testing them out, and even scaling them. So I hope you guys watch it till the end, watch the entire series. Just make sure that this is only for e-commerce. So if you have any other kind of business or you're running it for any other kind of business, you might get some other tutorial somewhere else. This is only for e-commerce, especially Shopify stores. So without any further ado, let's get started. Just recorded it super casually because from now on we'll be recording everything very in a very structured manner, and it'll be all laptop and everything. So I hope you guys like the video, and I hope to see you guys next.